is an access control list? How do we define it? What is a simple way to explain the access control list? Let's get into it. The access control list can be defined simply as whom may have access to the controlled resource. Let's use an example of you being invited to an exclusive party. You got a very elegant invitation in the mail and you are dressed very, very, very elegantly, so to speak. You arrive at the facility. Everybody has anyone who has any insight in that world, pick any world you want, they want to get in. So what you're doing is you're walking up to the guards at the door of entry, and you're walking up to them with your invitation in hand, and they look at the invitation, they see the name on the invitation, maybe an invitation ID on the back of the invitation, correlate both of those pieces of information of data back to the actual list they have of people who are allowed in, and say you may gain entry, and they scratch your name off the list. Now, the list that the bouncer or the door handler or the gatekeeper will have at that holding on the door that tells them these are the only individuals who are allowed to come through this door, that is the access control list in a sense. Think of it that way. Think of it in terms of permission or not permission, access or no access. Only these individuals on this list are permitted. If they're not on the list, they cannot access.